What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Food for Thought. You're here with Kitchen Raid, and today we are checking out Kintan. So this is a Japanese barbecue style spot in the heart of Oxford Circus, and we're gonna go check out their beautiful Japanese food. Ikatakimasu. Before we get started, they've just given us our salad that's gonna accompany our meats. And a bit of miso soup. So miso soup's just the fermented soybeans, just in salt and some courage. Proper like hearty broth, just good way to get started before we get into the mains. As you can see, guys, we've got a huge variety of plates here. We're ranging from the beefs, we've got our chicken, pork, prawns. Super excited to get stuck in. They're marinated beautifully, as you can see. Let's get cooking. So for our choice of drink, we've gone for a Asahi, which means a rising sun in Japanese. So this is their #1 beer in Japan, and for taste-wise, I'd say it's so light. It goes super well with whatever you're having. It's not too heavy, and it's just a great way to, I guess, cleanse your palate when you're moving from dish to dish. So we just got a bit of our pork kalbi here. So the best thing is, I'd say, the flavouring that you're getting is unmatched from all the other barbecue styles that I've had. The marination is just coming through immensely. Flavours are amazing, topped off with a little bit of rice, and you're getting those sweet and spicy flavours in there really well, whatever you're going with. You're getting that sweetness with the soy sauce, and I guess grilling it yourself, you're getting that personal satisfaction that you've made it yourself, and it just tastes, it's the perks of cooking at home in a restaurant. So some of you might be put off by the fact that you have to cook your own food. Here, one great thing is that the cuts are all super thin and marinated amazingly, so all the hard work's been done for you. All you gotta do is just read what they say. They give you a little briefing on how long each meat should be taking. Usually it's just 2 to 3 minutes per side, super quick. Chicken probably a bit longer, but it's so easy to do, and I guess it's something fun, something different, and something you guys should definitely be trying out. So with the prawn, I'd say only setback is that you only get 4 pieces per portion. But the soy garlic tasting that you're getting is incredible. So as soon as you bite it, they're taking off the shell, which is a great help. So you're getting that succulent, juicy flavor as soon as you bite it. Best thing is you can set it to whatever taste you want. You can add in your soy sauce when it's cooking, your spicy sauces, but just the base flavor that they've given is really good. So, the chicken that we've been given, super succulent. I'm hoping it's not undercooked, but flavor-wise, so beautiful. You're getting a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness. Color on it is beautiful. Again, how they've marinated is incredible. I'd say some of the best in terms of barbecue that I've had, and just flavor-wise, it's done very well. So here we have our matcha crepe cake, which is layered crepes, green tea flavored, one of my favorites, with a side of ice cream. So let's check out how this is. You can tell that it's layered thin pieces of crepe, just put on top of each other. Green tea, you can see the icing. If anything, the icing is more prominent than the actual crepe. Let's get a little bit of that ice cream in there as well. spongy, icy cake rather than a solid texture. You're getting that prominent green tea flavour in there, very sweet. Again with the ice cream, it goes very well with it, but if you're into your green tea ice cream, then I'd definitely say try this out. If not, it might not be your cup of tea. I'm sure everyone can agree that 2020 has been hard on everybody, especially the hospitality industry. So I'm so glad that you guys have been joining us on our journey. This marks the 1-year anniversary of when we started, and we're hoping that our content has been giving you guys some great ideas on how you can support your local businesses. For now, if you guys could hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification so you know when our videos are out, and we'll be back very soon with season 2. But for now, arigatou gozaimasu, we'll be out. Attends, 合格用の術